Gmail contains two different ways to clean up your email: archiving and deleting. Archiving offers a way to remove a message from your inbox while still retaining it for future reference. When you archive a message, Gmail moves it to the All Mail section of your inbox. To find those messages, you can either do a search from the search bar, or you can browse your All Mail area. Click the All Mail link in the navigation sidebar to view all your messages, including archived messages. To unarchive and open archive message, click the Move to Inbox button. Gmail offers you enough free space for your messages. When you archive a message, it still counts towards your standard storage limit of 15 GB that Gmail shares with Google Drive and Google Plus Photos. To view how much storage you have used, scroll down to the bottom of your inbox and click the Manage link. Delete. Delete a message when you are completely sure you aren't going to need the message again. Gmail moves a deleted message to the trash bin, where it remains for 30 days. If you don't restore the message within this time, Gmail deletes it permanently. To move a message to the trash, or multiple messages, place check marks beside them and select the trash icon. Thanks for watching.